Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making this Jamaican style seasoned rice. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So I'm just going to go ahead now and shred my cabbage. Now I'm using my little gadget here. You know, if you're using one of these, please make sure you use the finger guard because, you know, we don't want to be losing no fingers around here. So I'm just shredding my cabbage and my carrots. And, you know, when I really like for waste nothing, so the little bit that's left over that can't go, that can't be used on the little gadget there, the slicer, I'm just going to use my knife to do it now. This is what it looks like when we're finished. Now, prior to doing this, I did go ahead and pre-boiled my saltfish. You know, we have to get off most of the salt off of it. Now I'm going to be rough chopping some tomatoes, my onions, and also I'm going to use some spring onions, or if you call it scallions. Now I'm going to saute these in a pan with some vegetable oil. Now you're going to saute these for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once I've sauteed those, I'm going to go ahead now and add my saltfish and give this a good mix. I'm going to add some black pepper. You can either use black pepper or white pepper. Now once I've done this, I'm going to add my bell peppers. Now yes, I am using the frozen ones, but if you're using fresh ones, you can go ahead and add it in at the same time as you add your onions and tomatoes. Now once I've done this, I'm just going to let this simmer down now for about 6 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to add my cabbage and my carrot. Give this a good mix, cover, and just let this steam down for about a further 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead now and add my coconut milk, and also I'm just going to fill the can of coconut milk with some water and also add that, and just give this a good mix. I'm also going to add some thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper is just totally optional. Now I'm going to season this with about a tablespoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Add some paprika for color. Now once this comes to let it come to a boil for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to add my washed rice. Now I am using a parboiled basmati rice for this dish. Going to just incorporate this really well. Now at this time, I'm going to cover it with my foil paper and my lid. I'm going to put this in the oven, so make sure you're using an oven proof dish or a pot, and then put this in the oven, gas mark number 6, for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now after this time, your seasoned rice is ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You can follow me on all social platforms at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Now leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would try this and what you would try it with me. I just served it up on its own because it was just absolutely delicious and tasty. Now look at this rice, just nice and just, you know, moist but just nicely cooked, shelly, you know, the whole shebang, just nice. There you have it, guys, my Jamaican style seasoned rice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. As I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.